Good morning. We're live at Gear Expo Day 2. I'm Matt Jaster, Senior Editor at Gear Technology Magazine. My guest this morning is Dwight Smith, Vice President of Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. Good morning, Dwight.
Good morning.
We're going to talk about skiving today. Tell us some innovations and technologies to your machine tools that make the skiving process an optimal option for your customers.
Well, the research Mitsubishi's done has indicated very clearly that machine tool rigidity is essential to the performance and accuracy of skiving. This requirement was crucial for the design criteria of our new MSS 300 machine. For example, the in-feed axis guideways are a massive 250 millimeters wide. Gigantic. This adds enough strength and rigidity to meet the process requirements. The base symmetry even has been designed to reduce any thermal effects, a central trough for chip evacuation, for example. Even the Z-axis, the axial feed axis, uses two servo motors in opposition to each other to ensure smooth and consistent accuracy. Every aspect of the process has been considered in the design of this machine. Even the tool spindle, capable of 6,000 RPM, is designed with minimum overhang, non-cantilever design for rigidity and stiffness. So the chip loads of our new tool require this kind of machine accuracy.
Let's talk a little bit more about the cutting tools. How do they get the best results from the skiving process, and what are the tooling challenges?
Every customer, potential customer for skiving, has told me, tool life, tool life, tool life. We know skiving's been around a long time, and one of the things that's always hindered it is the cutting tool. So MHI invented this new patented skiving tool, which uses 3 tiers of cutters. 3 times more teeth engaged in the cut. It adds sometimes 6 times more tool life than a standard type cutter. So this is the viable approach, we think, for the future for skiving. The challenges are the same with any other process, so balancing productivity and tool life.
Okay. What specific Mitsubishi machine is highlighted here at Gear Expo?
We have brought and are demonstrating our GE15 hobby machine. This is a very high productivity machine, and right now we're highlighting high-speed hobbing at 350 meters per minute of tool speed, dry. In other testing, we've even exceeded 1,500 meters per minute cutting speeds in tests. So the machine is capable of very high productivity.
And what has the customer response been like to your skiving equipment?
There has been a tremendous amount of interest in a better approach to skiving. Some of the early implementers have found that the tool life has not improved, and we have an answer to that with our super skiving tool. So it's been very, very exciting.
Let's talk a little bit about the simulation software. What stands out to evaluate the cutting forces?
This was essential in the development of the tool. We're quite unique in the fact that we've got cutting tool engineers in the same building with machine tool engineers, in the same building under the same roof with the people that designed the simulation software. Each tooth coming into the cut has been analyzed, and the chip load of every aspect of the part cut has been into our design software. So by having these 3 factors integrated into one makes us a system that's not isolated and is unified in its design.
Okay. Let's talk a little bit about the future. How will skiving technology change or evolve in the next 3 to 5 years?
One of the driving forces behind MHI is consistent and constant improvement. We're always looking at feedback from customers to implement into our machine tools, and MHI has been a leader in cutting tool technology for many years, so there's never going to be a day when they're not looking at improvement to the substrate and to the coatings for better tool life. Our customers never stop asking for better tool life, so we're going to continue to work on that.
Do we have any questions from the audience? All right, well, thank you for your time today, Dwight.
Yeah, thanks.